I saw her at reception, a glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna connection. At her feet was her footloose man. You can't always get what you want, honey. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. If you try sometime, you must be found what you need. We went down to demonstration to get a fair share of you. The singing gonna wet our frustration. I don't well blow my 50 fuse, and you can't always get what you want, honey. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you must be found what you need. So went to the Chelsea drugstore, got a prescription. I'm staying the line with my friend Mr. Jimmy. A man, did he look pretty ill, with a sign that would have a soda. My favorite flavor was a cherry brand. I sing this song to my friend Jimmy, and he said one more, and that one I died. You can't always get what you want. I saw her today at reception, in her glass wine blending man. She was a practice and the art of the deception. I could tell by her blue loose hand. Can't always get what you want, honey. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you just I found what you need. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. Please introduce myself. I'm a man when the face. I've been around for a long, long year, stolen many souls in a vein. Eyes are wrong when Jesus cried. Ever this moment did you tend the pain? Made it down shoot the pillars, and his hands felt his fate. Please introduce myself. I guess you know my name, but the freezing of this natural game. stuck around when the Petersburg saw I was time for the change. Killer the season and a history. Anastasia Crescent in vain. I rode a tank and I held Peter's hand when the bricks creak re-race and the buddies stay. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But I want to prize you if you're natural of the game. I wanted this girlfriend wild and kiss when the kiss is the future and the 14. Hell yeah. Cavernas, vivia e viajava, tinha tudo que queria. O homem das cavernas vivia e viajava, tinha tudo que queria. Um dia ele teve que trabalhar, um dia ele teve que casar. Ele saiu da caverna. Foi quando ele saiu da caverna. Ele teve que estudar, um dia ele teve que trabalhar, um dia ele teve que casar.